At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A burn percentage chart template is an essential tool employed by medical professionals, particularly emergency responders and specialists in burn care. It is designed to provide a swift and accurate estimate of the body surface area affected by burns in a patient. This template divides the human body into distinct segments, each given a fixed percentage of the total body surface area. Total body surface area charts help assess how much of the body is affected by burns, guiding treatment decisions after fire disasters. Rule of Nines. Used mainly for adults, this method divides the body into areas of 9%, making it a quick and simple way to estimate burns. Palmer method. Uses the size of the patient's hand, about 1% of body surface, to estimate smaller or scattered burns. Lund and Browder chart. More precise and commonly used for children, this chart adjusts for body growth. It's widely accepted by burn care experts. Our template includes the Lund and Browder chart for better accuracy. Here's how to use our printable burn percentage chart template. Access the template in the link in the description, or access it through our templates library in our Carepatron app. Carefully examine the patient's body to identify all areas that have sustained first degree, second degree, and third degree burns. Write down the percentage according to the body parts affected. Add the percentages of all burn segments to determine the total BSA burned. Use the total BSA burned to assess burn severity and guide treatment decisions. When using our free burn percentage chart template, the information gained is crucial for assessing burn severity, guiding treatment decisions, and communicating the extent of burn injury among healthcare providers. Here's a breakdown of how to interpret the results from the burn percentage chart template. The total body surface area burned, calculated using the burn percentage chart template, serves as a primary indicator of burn severity. Generally, burn patients are categorized as follows: minor burns, less than 10% body surface area burned; moderate burns, 10 to 20% body surface area burned; major burns, 20% to 40% body surface area burned; and critical burns, over 40% body surface area burned. The chart is useful for thermal, electrical, and chemical burns. Here's a sample of our burn percentage chart to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free, just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.